already know this your man, Bowanky, man. I want to thank everybody for tuning in to the Wanky Show, man. You know one thing, I'm going to Jamaica today, man. I'm about to cook, take it to the Wanky kitchen, and we're taking it there. Feel me? Let me show you what I got going right here, man. Right now I got my all my seasoning, man, for my oxtails. You know, we taking it to Jamaica, like I said. Got all my seasons. Got the oxtails in the pot, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. I got more coming. Today I'm about to let y'all know what I'm using today for my oxtails. Today I'm using sweet pepper. Yes, that's right. Sweet pepper. They're very good for your oxtails. You should know that. I also got carrots. I'm putting carrots in my oxtails, y'all, as you can see. Now this right here is oxtail seasoning. This is some very good stuff, y'all. You gotta try it. This is some very good stuff. You don't need nothing but a cap full of this right here. A cap full, it'll get the job done. Promise you that. I got my browning anyway. You know what this is, right? If you don't know, I'll break it down to you. It's flavor. And it's also brownings and give it the color for the oxtails. You know what I mean. You know where I'm trying to go. I got my bay leaves as well. And I told you I had the ginger. I clean it real good. And I use the whole ginger. Not the whole ginger, but like I breaks. I use like this whole part, everything. I don't shave it. I don't do anything. I just use it. You feel me? Man, we're going to take it to the kitchen today, man. I thank y'all for tuning in to me, man. You know, about to get it going, man. Stay watching. I got the oxtails. I'm about to put them on for 6 hours. Let them rock and roll. Other than that, y'all stay tuned. Got a lot more coming. Wanky Kitchen. I'm out. Check me out, y'all. As you can see, I got everything seasoned all the way down to the bone gristle. Onions, bell peppers, carrots, sweet peppers, everything, you name. Yeah, you know I use chicken stock. You know some people use water, but I think chicken stock is way better. Yeah, give it a good taste. But it don't stop right here. We're gonna keep this party going. Now it's time to eat. Yeah, new day. Now this is the cabbage. Oh, what y'all know about the cabbage? What you gonna learn today? Cause I had to learn today. This is my first time cooking cabbage, y'all. So this is my ingredients. Everything for a cabbage. Everything will be down in the description at the bottom of my YouTube page. That's right, this is cabbage, man. First time cooking cabbage. I had to put it together. Other than that, y'all, just watch the show. Thank y'all for watching. Let's get it. Anytime I cook bay leaves in my food, I take them out. I don't leave them in there. I wish I could smell this. It smells so good and it tastes so good. But as you can see, it's pretty watery. So, I gotta do something about that. I did add some butter beans in there, as y'all can see. But I gotta get this water right. So I gotta get my whip game together. Gravy is on the way. Oh, as you can see, the food is now done. That's right. I got oxtails with carrots, rice and peas. That's right. I got cabbage. I got me a Hawaiian rolls. But look, this is my first time cooking cabbage, y'all. My first time. It's good though.